Hongani Ndlovu recently had an interview with Thato Rampedi where he opened up about his relationship with his then wife Stephanie Sandows, and fans are loving this behind the scenes insight. The actor revealed that Stephanie played a huge role in keeping him grounded and financially accountable, explaining that she was very strict when it comes to money. Because of her discipline, Hongani says they were able to pay off their bond, something he's very grateful for. He openly shared that her guidance and insistence on financial responsibility made a big difference in their lives, and he appreciates how she helped them stay on track and make smart financial decisions. This is a very good reminder that sometimes that strictness in the right areas can have a huge impact, and Hongani is clearly thankful for that support. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I will see you on my next upload.